We all know that pretty much all teenagers have iPhones, and they're looking at notifications constantly, 240 times a day on average. 25% of those are at school, and another 40% are overnight. Recently, the University of Michigan did a report that teenagers are averaging 4.5 hours daily on their phones. Some teenagers, as much as they're really addicted to their phones, 16 hours a day. And this is kids ages 11 through 17. They're mostly using social media, and it's consuming just a ton of time. The most popular one is TikTok and YouTube. So 64% of teens' time is on these social media sites. And it's really easy to access these apps. And a lot of these pictures and content is not appropriate for young kids. And it'll pop up, how old are you? You have to be a certain age to access this, but it's very easy for kids to bypass that. Kids and their parents should sit down and discuss and agree on an appropriate phone use and phone habits. For example, they should set a time limit with their kids and say that it's not allowed in school and it's not allowed overnight. You have to leave your phone in a different room at nighttime. And they should teach their kids how to block negative content and how to set their phone on Do Not Disturb so it's not constantly notifying them. It's important not to criticize teenagers about their phone use, because these apps are meant to be addictive and immersive for teenagers. So parents should sit down and discuss this with their teenagers. Ask their teens questions and encourage them. And ask them questions such as, how do you feel when you don't have your phone? Do you worry that you'll miss something? Do you feel like you might be scrolling on your phone too much? How do you know if you're on your phone too much? If teenagers struggle with scrolling and being on their phones too much, discuss with them what to do and help them understand.
Watch live and local.